We're back. Don't mind the voices. We couldn't mute them. It's like, bro, literally everyone's muted, and I can still hear their voice. What the frick is going on right now? What the frick was that?
Wait, where's he? He's not there.
Now I can't unmute him.
Bro, whatever, bro.
It doesn't matter anymore.
Oh shoot.
Okay, where are you?
He can't fit through here. Where'd you go? Oh, you're eating invisible for a second.
Everybody's running.
I'm going to cafeteria.
What the big bag is
Piano, where are you going again? Like, can this shut up?
Who is this person named Sigma Boy? Wait, is that the... I saw them.
Move, where's the minute?
What the frick is on that person?
Move your big back! What is this SpongeBob doing? Move, Spongy!
Is crazy.
Is he there?
What is SpongeBob doing? Move!
What is going on up there, bro?
Guys, should we go?
Wait, which one is you? Someone looks
Where are you?
identical to you. Oh, there you are.
Oh, no, bro. Oh, no.
Where are you?
Oh, no.
Are you in front of me?
No, boy, I'm gonna.
I don't know who the frick that is in front of you.
I'm gonna get there, boy. I'm gonna get
Oh,
there.
there
I didn't see it behind me.
Oh shoot, don't lead him over here.
He's about to be.
I'm hiding. Guys,
Where are you?
I want to see you.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
I'm right behind you. Oh shoot. Oh, what the frick? Wait, no, he finished me one.
Shut the door.
Oh shoot, he's coming back. Who is singing?
What the heck just happened?
I think I'm upstairs.
Move!
Big bag. I saw you at Chick-fil-A. Remember, I saw you with your McDonald's and Chick-fil-A cards. Wait, are they actually?
We don't talk about that. Talk about
I'm
that.
gonna taco about that because you're always eating tacos, you big
Wait,
bag.
they're gone.
I think they're
They're
gone.
gone.
I'm free of the voices, guys. I'm out of the insane asylum.
The
The voices stopped getting louder.
No, actually, they just like come on 2 seconds.
You guys better be quiet, or else I'm gonna actually hit my head.
I'm gonna take all my McDonald's fries and I'm gonna shove them up your
Ooh.
booty.
Why do I see weird flickering lights? Bro, these lights up here are like tweaking out. Like my light, like these. Am I tweaking out, guys? I think I'm still insane.
Yeah, you're tweaking out.
I'm gonna tweak out. Guys, it's
You
almost
have.
Christmas right now. It's almost Christmas.
What time is
Almost
it?
Christmas is all I know.
Hold on, let me check the time.
Wait, it's crazy, bro. That.
It's 9:39.
Where are we going?
I'm gonna wake up my whole entire family at like 2 in the morning.
Bro, wait. We have to stay up till Santa. Oh shoot.
Oh, run! Run! I just got launched back.
Wait, did I juke him or what? No, I didn't. Wait. Is that you?
No.
Nah.
They're unmuted. They're unmuted.
Can you hear them?
Oh, nah, bro.
I really want to juke him. I don't know how though.
Great, now they won't go away. They won't go away. I shouldn't have touched it. They won't go away.
Wait after me, or else I'm gonna hit this. I'm good now.
What's with these tiny little kids? Come tap.
I'm
Where are
at
you?
like near Cath. Why is this person chopping on the floor right now?
Are you at Calf
I'm
or are you
Cath.
near
Did you
Calf?
recognize- Oh, what the frick? White is right there.
I don't know where
He's at
Light is,
Calf.
but I'm coming over to Calf. Okay, well,
He's
I'm
being a
coming
big
down.
back.
I gotta see
Cath
that
is
little. little big.
White is
Nah, if anyone's the biggest of the biggest back here, then it's
Yeah, the
definitely me.
mimic is literally like he's always hanging out here, and he's like, "Bro, why did you
His
just
whole-
up my McDonald's
the plan-
order?" He's like,
Do you know what his plan is for Christmas?
his plan is to get.
Ready? Come over here. Come over here. I have a little presentation.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm right behind
Where
you.
are you? Oh, bro, what?
Other way.
Okay, sit.
Guys, what is your favorite?
Other way. You go over there. You over there.
Okay.
We're being big backs right now.
This Big Backs plans
We're
for
just
every
eating-
single Christmas is eat, sleep.
You know those strips that like eat,
How
sleep,
we doing,
Fortnite,
guys?
or eat?
Sleep. Yeah. No, I ran out of fingers.
Eat, sleep, Fortnite, repeat.
Sleep. Wait, there's one more that he especially does. His present
Move,
for
Range
all
on the
Christmas is 1,058 another
He has
Big
all
Macs.
the Sonic 3 toys right now. Bro has the collection times 2.
Oh, nah, times 5.
Times 10. He has like
Nah, times 100.
million.
Nah, times infinity.
Infinity. Where'd you go?
Nah, times infinity.
Wait, is it just me or am I seeing double?
Is it just me? I'm not seeing
Guys,
Twipple.
I'm actually,
Is it
guys,
just
I'm
me? Am I
crashing
seeing
out.
Twipple?
My friend just got.
Oh, it's a
Is
print.
this just me, or do I see
Guys, it's
Twipple? Oh, he's not.
Is that
No.
You're not preppy. Oh,
you? Is that you right here? Oh shoot!
you're not peppy. You're not
Guys,
preppy.
Be quiet or he'll hear us. What the freak? Shoot.
You're not
These people are gonna
preppy.
actually like, they're gonna say, "Ooh, can I have McDonald's?" And they're actually gonna attract. Wait, my freak.
You're not preppy.
Guys,
He's trapped.
My
I'm
controller.
stuck.
I don't know actually.
You're not
Like, my
preppy.
controller like it fell apart, bro. I have to like go in like a spot where I can just like not die. Let me just hide upstairs. I'll probably die, but I have to freaking fix this, bro. Like what?
He's still chasing.
1 second. Don't have the bat. Don't fall out. Okay, guys. I fixed the controller. I didn't die either. I didn't crash. Rick. Guys, I'm at Caffeine a Big Back.
He's really saying open the door right
What
now.
the freak does that?
He's really saying open the door.
On moment.
I don't know
Wait,
where
where-
he's going. He's probably going back to Calf to get
Stop! I'm
his
at
Big Back
Calf,
fries.
bro.
Big back.
This guy named Chill better not get me murdered.
Chill?
Yeah.
You eat 10,000 Big Macs a day, but you're just
I
a chill
didn't
guy.
even see him, and I didn't get jump scare. Oh,
I think I'm about to
what did you say? What were you talking about, Big Bags?
I think I'm about to die.
Big Bags. That's how much of a big bag he is.
I think I'm about to die.
you just
I
use
think
your
I'm about
arms
to
here.
die.
Did you guys know that we don't have legs?
I think I was about to die.
Where's all of the monsters, and I just slide through the door because they opened it at the last second.
Oh yeah. That.
Oh, he's walking away. What the skip?
Just slide. Oh,
Your poop
hey,
is gonna
Poops.
eat you. He's a big bag.
Pookie.
Why is he walking in places? Run!
Big bag. Big bag.
You took his McDonald's Happy Meal and he's mad. Wait, what is he actually doing?
It's for the way.
Take a break, bro. Don't look back. No, the big bag. Hey, where are you? What's the big bag? Open the freaking door! Oh, what's the big bag?
That's
Wait, the voices are getting louder. I know, but big boy Darby right here. Bro, take me back to that?
There's no way.
What, Dark? Who? Wait, unmute? Wait, whoa, how come when, bro, move you, big back.
He was like glitched and then he killed me.
There's no way.
Hold up. Let me mute all these people. I can mute them.
You're one of those big backs.
Yeah, I know. It
Do you
says
think
I'm
if,
muted.
like, they could hear it? Oh, what the freak? I'm right behind you.
Oh my gosh! For once,
No,
they
I
actually
hear them,
listened to
I
me
hear
and
them, bro.
went down for a whole row.
Are you serious?
They're gone. They're
Oh,
gone.
shoot.
They're gone.
Oh my
I can't hear them. The big backs are gone.
Oh, you might want to run. You might want to. Oh, with the freak. Gigi, I can't get over there, Gigi.
I read.
Bro, what are they yapping about?
We can like
I know, they're literally like yapatrons.
Where'd you go?
Oh, shoot.
what am I
Oh, at least he doesn't jump scare you. Wait, you're just a test model and you're just a chill guy. So what the frick, Waluigi? What was that? Waluigi! What the actual skib? Oh, what the skib?
What the? That's the Biden.
What the Sigma? Remember that little now it's like gone. I'm behind you. I know, he's already chasing me. Move, you big guy. I'm the mimic. Me, I'm not really. I'm the mimic. What?
What the? I think I crushed someone.
Yeah, they're running all goofy. Wait. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You're like,
No, I'm not even gonna chase after him. I'm going to find my mimic.
skippity.
Oh, where's the mimic? No, you're not the.
Where'd you go?
No, what does this look like? What does this look like? Come here.
What the actual Sigma? I can't.
Open the door. Right there.
Yeah, but he didn't jump scare me so much.
Skippity, skippity, skippity.
Oh no.
I ship you and Little Dark. Because you guys hate each other.
Hi. That's crazy. That's crazy.
You're like, meow.
He didn't even kill me. He went around.
What the freak? Where are you?
That's about train.
Ruh-roh, they locked us all in your room. The Sig?
Oh!
You good? Oh, what the frick? Where are you?
No!
Where are you?
Meow! Meow! Meow!
Oh, isn't that you right in front of me?
Bro, oh my gosh, now they won't shoot.
Greenlee, you're locked in there, bro. There's closed rooms. Bro, they're making the doors tweak out right now.
Who is this kid?
If the world was
Where are you?
I wanna be next to you. That's you in the middle, right? That's
He's following me. He's following me. He's following me. He's following me.
Oh no.
eating
He's
me.
following me. He's following me.
He's
He's following me.
I mean, do you think? You're not even near me.
Move, kid. Bro, I died because of this kid.
I'm gonna crash up your. Bro, he eats us because that's how he looks like us. He eats us. I think so.
No, not that song.
Yeah, there's not that many places to go.
Where is the mimic?
Oh, I got white. I should be with white. I should be with him. You're like meow.
Meow. Roddy, chop your head.
I want. Where's my dad? Did you see I sent you?
Oh my days!
I have a cat. You want to take it?
I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find you.
I want a cat. I want a cat. I can give you my cat. I can give you my cat.
No.
I'm all alone.
Meow. Meow. He's kidnapped.
If you have a cat, I have a cat.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
If you have a cat,
Meow, 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 meow.
it's over
juke him, but hey, this is
That might be
good.
my
I think it's gonna be on me. Oh wait, I bet you guys. Wait, let's go. I bet you.
one is coming. The white one.
That I can get to the cafeteria
And also, I
in
just found
10
your bed.
seconds.
I already gave you one. Where are you?
Ah, that's what you are. You're like Nyan Cat. You're like
Come on, Zion, right behind the white one. Red, please.
OG door.
What?
You sure about that? You sure about that?
That's too funny.
I'm already at the cafeteria. I just used them.
Oh, what the
Let me
frick?
go in the race.
I already gave you one.
There's too many mods.
No, hold on, wait for
I'm
me.
right by Mimic. Where are you?
Yo, wait for me too.
I'm over to dark. The dark.
Oh, never mind. He's going the other way because
Or
he's
the
a big bag and he wants to get to the
It's
couch.
just one hand. It's not that hard.
Why is he a big bag? Bro, literally, I gave the some of the
Hold
monkeys
on,
are
let me
like,
go in the race.
what? You're so sick. You're just like
Upstairs.
Nah, hold on. Wait for me.
What?
Wait, where are they?
Yo, wait for me too.
Nasty nail.
It's a little dark though.
How do you do that? Wait, I don't even know how to race it. I don't even know how
The monster's coming. The white
I was trying to juke little duck and then what the
Where are you? Bro, literally, white is chasing everyone.
White is over here, bro. Oh, maybe I'm not coming. Maybe I'm not coming. Oh wait, yeah, I am.
They're coming, the monster's coming.
Where did it all go? Dark's being stupid.
Yeah, Dark is chasing me right now, so.
I know we're not doing that.
The white one. Monster's over here.
Oh shoot.
Watch out!
Why?
Oh no!
No, what the frick is this? Favorite white though. I'm trying to make it to cap.
You were in server
Yo, hey,
C.
who's that?
Chasing me. I can't get to the door. Dark is chasing me.
I like it when people just ask
Probably.
You wanna
Alright guys, this is the end and we're gonna get, we can't get a jump scare from him, but we might as well die. Wait, I think I heard Roll Dark, whatever. I died from Dark. Anyway, Gigi, get open this way.
I'm at OG door.
What happened to him?
Also, I'm sorry about all the people talking that I got. Alright, if you enjoyed,
You wanna
please like and subscribe. You are very goofy and silly. Anyways, we will not post tomorrow because it's Christmas tomorrow. Anyway, bye.
Okay.